Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on hand expression. Hand expression is a simple and effective way to remove the breast milk from your breasts. Whether you're looking to increase your milk supply, relieve engorgement, or simply need to express milk on the go, hand expression can be a useful tool. In this video, I'll go over the benefits of hand expression, how to do it, and some tips to make it easier. Hey everyone, and welcome to the Passable Parent channel. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos like this one. Thank you so much for your support. What are the benefits of hand expression? There are many benefits to hand expression, including there's no equipment necessary. Hand expression is a convenient method that doesn't require any equipment, making it an easy and accessible way to express milk. Hand expression is also gentle and comfortable. Hand expression can be a gentle and comfortable way to express milk, especially if you are experiencing soreness or discomfort from breastfeeding or pumping. Hand expression is also efficient. It can be a very efficient way to remove milk, especially if you are skilled at the technique. So, diving right into it, how to hand express. To begin, you'll need to wash your hands and find a comfortable and quiet place to sit. Here's how to do it. Begin by massaging your breasts with your hands. Use a circular motion to help stimulate the milk ducts. And I'm sorry, but I do have to blur the nipple here for YouTube. They do give strikes against any female nipples or models, even if they're medical, of a breast. So I'm sorry about that, and I hope you are still able to see exactly what I'm talking about to help you learn how to hand express. So use that circular motion to help stimulate the milk ducts. Place your thumb and fingers at the base of your nipple about an inch away from the areola. Press your thumb and fingers together and gently squeeze your breast tissue. Release the pressure and repeat, moving your fingers around your breast to express milk from different areas. So you just want to be able to move it around so you're not expressing from the same milk duct over and over again. So just gently move around, and you're not going to squeeze the nipple to express milk. That will hurt, and that's not going to be an effective way to get the milk out. You're going to want to go about an inch back from your areola, and that's how you're going to hand express. And you don't even need to push too hard. You'll see what's comfortable for you and just experiment and try and figure out what feels good and what seems to get the most milk out. But this is the technique. It's a very simple one that many moms don't know about. You can collect this milk in a clean container or a breast milk storage bag. I find it really easy to express into a container first. It can be very difficult to use a breast milk storage bag to express into. Sometimes it's hard to get them open and it kind of can go all over the place. So I find it much easier to express into a container first or a cup that's clean and then pour it into the breast milk storage bag. I also have some tips for you when you're hand expressing. These tips make hand expression easier and more effective. The first is to relax. Take some deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth and try to relax your body before starting. This can help stimulate that milk letdown and make it easier to express milk. Another great tip is to use warmth. Apply a warm compress to your breasts before hand expressing to help stimulate milk flow. Another thing you can do before hand expression is taking a nice warm shower. Experiment with new techniques. Try different techniques to find what works best for you. That includes how much pressure to apply and where to squeeze on your breast gently, move around to figure out what works best for you to get the most milk out. Some women may find that compressing their breasts from the sides actually works better than using their fingers. My next tip is practice. Hand expression can take some practice to master. Don't get discouraged if you don't see a lot of milk at first. With practice, you can become more skilled at hand expression. And like learning any other new skill, it can feel awkward at first. It takes time to get used to. Another tip I have for you is using vibration. So using an electric toothbrush or a breast massager can be really helpful throughout the process of hand expression. And also if you feel any clogged ducts, hand expression, vibration, these are all also great techniques you can implement. So make sure to check out all my other videos on breastfeeding where I talk about all these different topics and how to deal with clogged ducts and all those things, which I hope you don't encounter, but if you do, I'm here for you and I make lots of videos on those topics. Hand expression is a convenient, gentle, and efficient way to remove breast milk. It can be a useful tool for breastfeeding mothers, especially when on the go or in situations where pumping is not an option. If you forget your breast pump and you start to become really engorged or in a lot of pain, you can use hand expression to quickly relieve some of that pressure in your breast and get some of that milk out. Remember to relax, experiment with technique, and practice regularly to become more skilled in hand expression. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video has been informative and helpful. And again, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'll see you in the next video.